Here is Symphony.
Put them all on the right too.
Brand new.
Selling like crazy.
Yep.
The ones along the creek aren't selling as quick. What's that, Rambler? Nice big Rambler.
Yeah.
Got one sold finally, the one on the left. Lot 8 still available.
But
Oh, they're putting one in already. Okay. This one's available. This one's available. I don't know if they're updating the signs. That one says available too. They're putting the footers in already.
yeah.
Old farm at Case Creek.
Caseville.
Yep. It's not a bad location. Kind of tucked away though. It's hard to get out. You have to go through another subdivision to get out of this subdivision to get to the main road.
Good one.
Alright, here we go.
Here is Symphony.
They don't update. Okay.
Yep.
Yep, these are selling like crazy, these houses.
Maybe sold here, have no sign on it.
Nope. Or they don't update the signs, you don't know. You have to go into the model. The model, I think, is over in the other Kaysville subdivision. Available, corner lot. The new school. This is Case Creek Elementary School. Just opened up this year.
Yeah. Brand new. School.
Spelling bee. January 24th.
Look at this here. So close. So close to the school.
The new superhighway behind them. Went in 2020. Putting an extension in.
But all this house is sold already.
Yep. This used to be the model over here.
Yeah, that's the model.
On the left, brick, brown.
Brick.
Nice looking. Yep, all these were going in. Last time we came down here, now they're all sold and people living in it. They got a really good playground there. Kids with their bikes.
See, that's the bikes there. So many.
Wow, a lot of basketball hoops.
Yeah.
Much better go to a new school. They have all better playground stuff.
Yeah.
The old schools don't have that much. Beautiful view of Bountiful.
Yeah.
I heard they got about 12 inches of snow.
Wow.
While other parts of the valley got like an inch. But nothing's going to get built behind them except for a highway.
Make noise. What's far away this here?
And they're going to use new technology. It's going to be the pavement that they make is not going to produce as much noise as cars go over it. What exactly it is, but that's what I read. stuff. Right?
Yeah.
Yours.
Good.